I think I'm pretty goofy. I make light of pretty, not I'm so sorry.
Okay.
I am goofy. My name is Kenna Manaut. I'm 24 years old. I go to ASU online and I have 2 jobs and I'm graduating in June. I actually didn't start getting acne until I was 18 years old. And it was the start of college. You're just, you're meeting new people. And it was kind of a really big burden to wake up one day and, it started with a couple pimples here and there, but then it was a huge flare up. And I think I really struggled with that because I don't think it's talked about really that you do as an adult get acne. When I first got it, I felt like I needed to put on so much makeup to hide the fact that I had it, but growing up, you realize that, everybody has blemishes and that it's not something to hide from and you shouldn't hide from it. I think social media has positively affected the image of acne by creating natural skincare beauty and less makeup and kind of embracing the natural look, and I have seen that grow within social media. The negative part of it is that, high-end celebrities and people that we aspire and look to touch up their photos and it makes you feel like you need to do the same thing and hide what's going on with your skin when in reality, you're beautiful just the way you are. Don't cake on makeup. It's just not worth it. Don't clog your pores even more than they're clogged now. Just don't. I think an acne champ means to me being comfortable in your own skin and embracing the fact that you may have blemishes once in your life. And if you don't, then you're extremely lucky. But if you do, it doesn't diminish your beauty at all, and your beauty comes within.